Hello, my friend. Welcome back to my channel, Lilybird Time. No matter how big our closet is, it never seems to be big enough to store all the clothes we accumulate. Finding effective ways to organize and store seasonal clothes can make a significant difference in maximizing space and keeping our closets tidy and manageable. In this video, we will present 5 tips for storing clothes effectively. Let's get started. Number 1. Clean all seasonal clothing before packing. Before stowing away your seasonal clothing for the off-season, it's ideal to give them a thorough cleaning. Stains left on the clothes can worsen during storage, so ensuring they are clean is important. Moreover, clean clothes are less likely to attract insects while in storage. Be sure to wash all your garments according to the instructions on their tags. Number 2. Choose the right storage. Various options such as plastic storage containers, cardboard boxes, or even empty suitcases can be utilized for clothing storage, provided that the containers are clean, dry, and insect-proof. I opted for non-woven fabric foldable storage boxes to organize my wardrobe stuff. They are available in different sizes to accommodate your storage space. The suitcase is one of the best solutions for storing my off-season clothes. For small items such as bras, panties, socks, and ties, I opted for a mini drawer organizer made of non-woven material. Number 3. Folding properly. This is the proper way to fold hoodies for storage. Lay the hoodie on a flat surface with the back facing up. Fold the both sleeves across the back or front of the hoodie so that it forms a straight line. Fold the bottom of the hoodie up to the top. Insert the hood into the little folding hole from the bottom. Prevent clothes from unraveling, resulting in a neatly compact folded hoodie. This is the proper way to fold jeans. Lay the jeans on a flat surface, ensuring that the legs are aligned. Fold one leg over the other, creating a straight crease along the top of the legs. Fold the jeans in half, bringing the waistband to the hem. Smooth out any wrinkles to ensure a neat fold. As for a vest, fold both sides of the vest towards the center. Then proceed to fold it as you would a hoodie. Here's how to fold a sweater for storage. Take hold of the collar and fold it back across the width of the sleeves. Next, fold the bottom hem upwards, then fold the sweater in half along the middle. Fold the sweater's sleeves back over. Finally, place it into a side pocket to prevent it from unfolding. My socks are all over the place in the drawer, making it hard to find the pair I need. It's time to tidy them up and keep them organized. Fold or roll each pair of socks neatly to save space and keep them organized. Arrange the socks by type or color within the drawer storage container to make it easier to locate specific pairs. The mini drawer organizer effectively separates and categorizes socks, maximizes space, prevents misplacement, preserves sock quality, and enhances visual accessibility. Fold the underwear in half with the two sides meeting in the middle. Then fold it in half again along the center line. By folding it in 1/3 direction, a pocket will be formed. Tuck the private part of the underwear into the pocket and place it in the storage box with the flat side facing up. I have found this adjustable drawer divider to be very helpful for storing my tank tops and camisoles. It allows me to neatly separate and organize each garment, making it easy to find the perfect one for any outfit. Additionally, the divider's flexibility enables me to adjust the sections to accommodate different sizes and styles, maximizing the use of space in my drawer. Bras can lose their shape and become misshapen when stored in a crowded drawer. Since I began using this bra organizer, my bras have been well protected and neatly organized. The individual compartments not only maximize space, but also make it easier to select the perfect one for any outfit. The storage boxes facilitate the organization of seasonal clothing, allowing for easy access to specific items when needed and preventing a cluttered storage space. Clothes stored in boxes remain easily accessible, reducing the time and effort required to locate specific items when the season changes. Number 4. Properly hang items. In a small wardrobe, long clothes are hung above the wardrobe, causing the hem to form pleats, and the space beneath the clothes is wasted. The recommended way to hang long dresses is like this. as it prevents pleating and creates extra space beneath the dress. By hanging the sweater like this, it will create bulges on the shoulders. To avoid this, we should fold the sweater in half. Place the hanger under the armpits, fold the sides down, and then hang it up. The alternative approach involves threading the hanger through the sweater's hem, placing the sleeves on the hanger and lifting it up. When pants are hung this way, they tend to form two small ears. To prevent this, insert one trouser leg through the hanger, flip it over, and then insert the other trouser leg. This method ensures that the pants will not slip down when hung. Since I learned how to hang my long clothes properly, my wardrobe has become more organized and my clothes stay in better condition. Additionally, I have noticed that I now have more space in my closet, making it easier to find and access my outfits. Number 5. Prevent clothes moths. The conventional solution for preventing clothes moths is the use of mothballs. While mothballs can effectively repel insects, it's crucial to be aware that they contain a toxic pesticide that can be lethal to children and pets. An example of a natural alternative is cedar wood blocks, which can serve as a preventative measure when hung in the closet or placed around the house. Although they do not kill clothes moths, making the environment less favorable for these pests. You can also use dried bulk herb sachets. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these 5 tips helpful for organizing your seasonal clothes effectively. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more organizing tips and tricks. See you in the next video.